Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important hiring, and this is the direct hiring from the Alacrity and Alacrity hiring challenge. So this job post open on means this hiring will be open on 30 March, but registration has been started. So this is one important hiring, everyone should apply. And talking a little bit more about that, so the duration of test will be 1 hour 30 minutes. And about the challenge, so we are seeking an experienced core Java developer with strong expertise in API development and microservices architecture, AWS. So if you have knowledge on all that things, then you can apply. So if you are from the bachelor degree in computer science, IT, or engineering or related field, then you can apply. You should have knowledge of Java, and if you have done any kind of certification, then this will be a plus point. And freshers are eligible. You can say clearly 0 to 2 year freshers are eligible. So you will be joining as associate software engineer, and package is 3.6 to 8 lakh per annum. For 2 to 4 year of experience if you have, then you will be joining as software engineer, and package will be 6 to 16 LPA. And for other experience 4 to 6 year, you can get package till 24 LPA. So this one a good hiring, and everyone should apply. So your job location will be at Hyderabad, and I've already said that freshers till 6 year experience can apply. So challenge format is there will be two round one, it will consist of 20 MCQs question and one programming question and one SQL question. So you have to just basically work on SQL and programming questions. So if you haven't joined our WhatsApp telegrams to study group, must join there, because there I'm sending the free preparation material for all those hiring. So that will be beneficial for you. And round 2 will be one project question plus 5 descriptive questions will be there. So if you have qualified round 1, then only you will be moving forward to round 2. So this is one of the important hiring, and I will suggest everyone you should apply. And this is a wonderful opportunity. So total number of positions is 10, but don't go for positions and just apply. No one know where you can get the opportunity. Okay, so you can go through complete job link in the description, I will provide there. Okay, coming to next important opportunity from the Microsoft, they are hiring for the role of sales operation apprentice program, and job location is Haryana, Gurugram. So this is full on-site job role, and profession will be sales enablement and travel. You will get a lots of perks and benefit of Microsoft, you know the company, and these are providing lots of important opportunity, perks and benefits. So talking about the eligibility criteria, who are eligible. So if you are doing bachelor degree in commerce, business administration, computer applications, economics, maths or related field, then you can apply. Okay, and you should have strong analytical and mindset and ability to work with data to support sales operation and business analytics. Either if you are doing from the BE BTech, then you can also apply, I will suggest. And preferred qualification, if you have some knowledge on the digital tool, data platform or AI, then you will be preferred for this role. So must apply for this. I will provide apply link in the description. And friend, biggest hiring of the 2026 already is going on, that is the TCS NQT 2026, and I've already provided you the detail. So if you haven't applied for that, I will suggest everyone must apply there. And I have provided lots of video related to registration process, eligibility criteria and other things, and soon coding questions video will be out. So for that you can subscribe us. And if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule mock interview with us, so you can schedule us. And currently basically Deloitte hiring interviews going on. So if you want to schedule a mock interview and want to boost your preparation for real interview, then you can fill our form. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I will be very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.